Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
I guess the car behind me decided they were too important to wait behind the three of us that were ahead of her.
Get your head down.
What the fuck, man?
What?
That dude was behind me in the turn lane and got out and went around and he just cut that truck off.
That white person?
That gray car right there.
That white person.
It's a good thing the Camry driver was paying attention to his surroundings and ready to react. Otherwise, he definitely would have been hit by the RAV4 driver.
Now that's right, 6 whole months for 160.
A Mitsubishi fails to give way at a roundabout.
Wow, that is a lot of need to be power pollen. Yeah, it sure is, isn't it?
Oh, Jesus, God, you came really close.
Check this out, guys. Mitsubishi GT, spotted on I-95 North, only in America.
Well, that's custom for sure.
I love when they have the company name all over their car. I weighed quite a bit on this load, but I have great brakes.
Gotta love those last-second mergers.
Oh, no.
Oh boy, there's a learner.
This guy's got some giant cojones.
Going very, very slow. And using
With
his
his phone!
Oh my goodness.
If it caught that or not.
As I was driving home from work through downtown Sarasota, I had this car fly by and cut in front of me from the left lane at a red light to make a right turn into Marina Jack's parking lot. Well, at least they used their turn signals.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.